a Saturday morning runnings. Come, make we talk. This week's topic: what do you miss most about your childhood in Jamaica and the Caribbean? What you say? Bush tea on the veranda, jumping fence, mango, Sunday rice and peas, or the good old donkey rides. That me. Join me and the crew as we take a sweet stroll down memory lane, bringing back the vibes of yesteryear. Mhm. Let's talk about the days when life's simple and sweet, and every corner shop at the community center. Live on the air, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Location, anywhere you're there, as long as you're tuned in. Share your stories and vibes with yours truly and the crew. Come for the laugh, stay for the love, and make we reminisce together now. Don't miss it, because memories are the real gold. Catch us live on YouTube and Facebook, Inside the Zone. Instagram, Lady D Denise Gomez. LinkedIn, Denise Lady D Gomez. We're ready for you a Saturday morning runnings.